Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for September 11th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, Teva's board selected Kerr Schultz, the current chief executive of Lundbeck, to become the company's next CEO. Teva chairman Saul Bearer said, Kerr has deep insight into the global pharmaceutical industry and a keen knowledge of the generic and specialty drug markets. Also in the news, study results showed that the combination of Novartis' Tafinlar and Mekinist significantly reduced the risk of death or recurrence by 53% versus placebo. The trial investigated the BRAF and MEK inhibitor combination in patients with stage 3 BRAF V600EK mutation-positive melanoma after complete surgical resection. In other news, Roche's Zelboraf failed to hit the main goal of a study for the adjuvant treatment of people with completely resected BRAF V600 mutation-positive melanoma. Chief Medical Officer Sandra Horning said, while results in people with stage 3C melanoma were not what we had hoped, the reduction in the risk of recurrence in people with stage 2C 3B disease is encouraging. In addition, Johnson & Johnson plans to end development of an experimental treatment regimen due to the increasing availability of a number of highly effective therapies for hepatitis C. Lawrence Blatt, Global Therapeutic Area Head of Infectious Disease Therapeutics, noted, "Our hepatitis R&D efforts will focus on chronic hepatitis B, where a high unmet medical need still exists." And finally, a late-stage study of Sanofi and Regeneron Pharmaceuticals' dupilumab in a broad population of patients with uncontrolled persistent asthma met its two main goals. The companies indicated that they plan to seek FDA approval of the therapy in this indication by the end of this year. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.